just got to the cabins. And right there, we're staying at. We're gonna head out. Dustin left. And Dustin went out to the lake already. We're gonna follow him. We just got here. Right there, Jill's getting ready and Sam's tying the bag down. We're gonna net fishing part 3. Jill got his sleigh out and Sam hit some overflow and he came back. How was your experience on the overflow?
It's good, but it's cold.
Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna go check the boys out. We'll go check it out. Okay, bye. Okay. Folks, I stop halfway, take a moment with you and show you the view. Came from that way, minus 36 this morning. I think it's minus 26 right now. The smoke from the skidoo cruising. Here's the look of the lake. Nice view here towards Zama Hill. That way. Zama Hill. Looks like they logged over there. Before. There's Zama Hill. Or Bistro Hill. Bistro Hill. Alright, we'll head that way. Minus 36. Well, just across that island. They're setting that. All right, let's check it out. Cold, they're heading back. Or they're done fishing. Look at the lake. Look at Zama Hill. Yeah, we'll continue on that way. There's a good trail between once you get a trail into the lake between, you can stay where it's packed on. You don't go off the edge. Might be overflow there. But it's all packed in. Good to go. 2 skidoos or more is better. Alright. Hope this video is educational. I'll bring you along. Alright, we passed the island. The boys are way down there. You can see way across too. It's so clear, way down there. You can see almost the lake right around. So clear. Way over there, it's just like a mirage. The island way around. It's sunny out. Cold and sunny. Where's that island? There's lots of overflow right there between the island. Right there. The pinch point. Or overflow there. Alright, net fishing part 3. We're jigging right now. The boys are jigging.
Yeah, we're back, folks.
And the boys are fishing.
Outdoors with
Yeah,
Micheal,
we're.
he's over there in orange.
Yeah, Mark Callanan setting a net right there. They're following the jigger now. It's going that way. You can see the lake good, eh? First time I see it like this.
Over there's mirage, kind of.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's that island you see.
Yeah. Drilling the hole, Dustin. They dig from that side, and then Dustin found the jigger again on this side. Net fishing, part 3. Made a fire. Yeah, it's coming along. Mark Kellen was digging too, and all right, continuing on. They're down there, Dustin, and everyone here. Hello, Mark.
Hello, Mike.
Yeah, he's feeding the line in. First net going in. We all drilled one hole there and jigged it to that side. One net going. Look at the lake. We're continuing on. No, about 2 talk. 1 or 2. It's about 1 or 2 o'clock. We found the jigger on continuing on. We started from over there. Jill, Dustin, Mike, and I. Mike, myself, Dustin, Chambuad, Jill, and me. Yeah, continuing on. Mark was here. He had to bring his family back. We made a little mustard point there. Yeah, look at the lake. We'll take out the jigger. We'll bring you guys along. They're fishing over there too. Yeah, thank you, Great Spirit, for bringing us out here. Again, there's the hill. On the north end of Bistro. Yeah, we're getting started. We're taking out the second jigger. It's been hard work. All right, we're continuing on. A little bit tired. We're tired, but we're getting in the second net. Lots of work. We need a team. Teamwork. Yeah. Mark had to head back to the cabins. We got the first net in, and we're getting the second one in. All right, there's Jill. Here's the look of the lake. Couple of fishermen down there. Very clear out, beautiful. Way down there too, you can see a mirage. Kind of what it was bigger earlier. But I think you can see the other side now. Oh, right there. Right there's the fisherman. Jackfish Point. Right there's a little mirage. Yeah. Jill's putting on the potatoes. It's gonna crisp brown on each side. It's up here, and it's getting not too bad. Sun's still up, evening kinda. Oh, farmer sausage. What kind of sauce on there? Jill has a store. Yeah. Moose sausage. Stew. Yeah. Hard work. We had a team. We give you a look outside. Over there, Dustin Harvey. We got the net in. Thank the Great Spirit again for bringing us out here. There's the sun. That way? Yeah. All right, second pull of the second net. And we pulled it first one. We got a huge jack here. Look at that, Roger. It's the big one, eh? Yeah. Chaha.